So this is the area where the passengers for the Padang Besar and the Hat Yai shuttle train will have to wait before the gates open for the immigration clearance. So we take a look at this area here before the gate is open for the passengers to get down to have the passport stamp out from Malaysia and to board the train from here, Padang Besar, to Hat Yai in Songkhla province of Thailand. So this is the signage that shows the immigration clearance. So we will have to get down from here to get the passport stamp and before we board the shuttle train